Hey guys, I'm Pratpal from the Refined Tech, and in this video I'm going to unbox the Qin F22 Pro Android device, which is a keypad touch and type 4G phone, and I have imported it from the China, and I had taken the help of this website astore.in, and it costed around 18k, and this is what all came in the box. So this is the charging adapter. It charges at around 11 watt, and this is the box content. If you open up the box, you will get the phone itself, and it came with the pre-applied plastic screen protector, and then it also came with the plastic back cover. And in the box you will get the SIM ejector tool, the data cable for charging, and extra glass screen protector, which I had already installed on the screen itself. And these are the wipes for the help in the screen protector application, and this is the quick start guide. So this is the phone, and it runs Android 12 out of the box. It has 4 gigabytes of RAM and the 64 gigabytes of internal storage, and out of it you can have 15 gigabytes for the system storage, and you will get around 50 gigabytes for your usage. And this run Android 12 out of the box, and it has Android security update of October 23 and the Google Play system updates of November 1 2024. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and the purchase links will be provided in the description. Thank you.